everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am participating in a collaboration that's being hosted by Crafty Kitty. It's a DIY collaboration for Christmas time called Santa Claus is Coming to Town. I'll put a link for the playlist when it's available, as well as a link to Crafty Kitty's channel in the description box down below. For my DIY, I wanted to create a very lightweight ribbon garland that I could hang in my kitchen window. You may have seen this in my Cozy Corner video, but I thought I would show you how I put that together. I needed something light because I wasn't sure how well the command hooks would stick to the tile that I have above my window in my kitchen. And I was really happy with how it turned out, and you could put it together for less than $5. It actually didn't cost me anything because I had purchased all of the materials before and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, so I just kind of put them all together. But if you wanted to replicate this look, you could do it for about $5 or less, depending on where you get your ribbon. So stay tuned. For this DIY, you'll need a roll of DecoMesh, some pipe cleaners, some ribbon, scissors, and something to measure with. Here I'm just unrolling the DecoMesh so that I can get all of it off of the spindle, and then I'm going to try to fold it in half and find the center of the mesh. This was a little bit tricky because the mesh kept wanting to fold in on itself. However, once I had the middle, then I marked it with a pipe cleaner. And for the center pipe cleaner, you will see in a little bit, I actually fold over the ends of the pipe cleaner so that I know that is the center one. Once I have the center all bunched up, then I'm going to measure out from either side of it 12 inches and put another pipe cleaner. The DecoMesh is about 15 feet long, so you're going to end up with 6 sections on each side of the center. I initially started to do both sides at one time, and then I found it was getting tangled up, so I eventually switched to just doing one side at a time. Now, I used ribbon from Costco, but if you use ribbon from Dollar Tree, that comes in 9-foot rolls. It still should work, because what you're going to do is take the ribbon and it's going to be measured into 8-inch sections, which you will see in a little bit. There I was showing you how I folded over the center pipe cleaner sections so that I would know what was the center of my garland. The reason you're going to measure the ribbon shorter than the DecoMesh is that you want the DecoMesh to bunch up behind the ribbon pieces. So I just started at one end of my mesh and continued onward. Now I did this because I was using Costco ribbon, but if you were using the Dollar Tree ribbon, then you would want to start from the center. Next, I'll tie on some ornaments I got at the Dollar Tree. There were 10 of the Snowflake and 5 of the Merry Christmas, so I'm going to start in the center with the Merry Christmas and then alternate with the snowflakes. And here's how it looks hanging above my garden window. As you can see, it's nice and light. I ended up using sheer ribbon on top of the DecoMesh. I bunched it into a bow at each corner, and it's very light and airy. It doesn't obstruct the view out the window, and I'm not worried about it coming tumbling down. And I just hooked it up on either end. And here I'm showing you a close-up of the ornaments. But I hooked it up on either end, let it drape down and a little bit on the sides, and I also hooked it up in the middle because it was hanging down a bit low. But I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment box down below if you think you might try something like this in your home. You wouldn't have to use such a long piece if you had smaller windows, and you could change it up to match any kind of color that you might have in your home or for other occasions as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will also check out the playlist at Crafty Kitty's channel. If you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, so I hope you'll consider subscribing. That's it for now. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Take care, everyone.